see I've got my picture next to my paper, and you're going to rely heavily on your verticals and horizontals. So I want you to work and look at your verticals and horizontals being the top and the bottom of your paper. Horizontal, vertical. With this picture in particular, like I've mentioned before, we can easily see the face, and I want you to look at the boundaries and where the eyes are in relation to the boundaries. They sit, both eyes sit on a horizontal. That's very, very slightly out, but we can tweak that. But generally, overall, they are sitting on a horizontal. So we're going to get that horizontal in. Whereabouts is it? Is it above halfway? Yes, it's not halfway, it's just a little bit above. So we're going to put that in.